In this video, we saw about some physical science topic. First one is periodic classifications of elements. Classifications of elements. The arrangement of elements into different groups on the basis of the similarities in their properties is called classifications of elements. The classification of similar elements into group that is into 144 different elements. The nearly attempt classifications of elements. The earliest attempt to classify elements, about 30 elements into two groups called metals and non-metals. The defect in this classification. So we move to next. Drobinets writes. Drobinets classify elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses into groups. Three elements are called traits. For example, trait means lithium, sodium, potassium. These are into a group of three elements. Then say about Newland's laws of actitudes. John Newland, an English scientist, arranged the known elements in the order of increasing atomic masses. These characteristics of Newland's laws of actitudes. It contained the element from hydrogen to thorium. Properties of every eighth element were similar to that of first element. Mendeleev's periodic law. This is the Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic table. Classification of elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses and their similarity in their properties. Mendeleev's periodic table has six horizontal rows called periods and eight vertical called groups. Merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Space were left vacant to accommodate elements to be discovered in future. The inert gas elements discovered later could be placed in the separate group without disturbing the table. Defects of Mendeleev periodic table. The position of isotopes of elements is not clear. Position of hydrogen is not clear because it shows properties similar to metals as well as non-metals. Then say about modern periodic table. Henry Moseley gave a new property of elements, atomic number, and this was adapted as a basic of modern periodic table. Then this is the model of modern periodic table. Then periods. There are seven periods of elements as follow. First period has two elements, helium and hydrogen, very short period. Second period has eight elements, lithium to neon called short period. Third period has eight elements, sodium to argon called short period. Fourth period has 18 elements, krypton to potassium called long period. Fifth period has 18 elements, rubidium to xenon called long period. Sixth period has 32 elements, cesium to radium called very long period. Then these are the groups, 18 groups of elements divided into 9 main groups. Then say about chemical kinetics. The branch of chemistry which deals with the study of reaction rates and their mechanism called chemical kinetics. For example, thermodynamics data indicate the diamond shall convert to graphite, but in reality, the conversion rate is so slow. The change is not perceptible at all. Then chemical kinetics not only help us to determine the speed or rate of chemical reaction but also describe the conditions by which the rate reactions can be altered. Consider a hypothetical reaction. Rate goes to product. Then 1 mole of the reactant or produces 1 mole of product. The rate of a chemical reaction. Rate of disappearance of or is equal to decrease in concentration of or divided by time taken. Rate of appearance of P is equal to decrease in increase in concentration of P divided by time taken. Then factors affecting the rate of a chemical reaction. First one is nature of reactant, concentration of reactant, temperature, presence of catalyst, surface area of reactant, radiations. Zero order law. Zero order reaction means the rate of reaction is proportional to zero power of concentration of reactants. Then integrated rate equation is equal to K is equal to R power 0 minus R divided by T. Then integrated rate equations. Thank you.